welcome back to my channel. My name is YEAST. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. So today I am back with another video, and this time is still about the yeast infection treatment, on how you can cure your yeast infection naturally at home without having to spend a lot of money to get it cured. So about 2 months ago, I did make a video on how to use clove of garlic to cure yeast infection, and a lot of ladies did actually reach out to me that they are scared to insert garlic in the V-JayJay, so therefore they would like to have an alternative on how to cure yeast infection. So which is why I am here today to give you an alternative to inserting clove of garlic in your V-JayJay. So with this treatment, it's another very simple one. It's actually simple and you don't have to insert anything anywhere. So the things we need are an empty bottle, a tea tree oil, sanitary pad, and some olive oil. But this is what you need to do first. You pour about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your empty bottle, which this is about right. After pouring 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your empty bottle, you want to go ahead and add about 5 drops of tea tree oil in the olive oil. After adding your tea tree oil in your olive oil, you want to close it up and give it a nice shake. You shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. What? You shake it, shake it, shake it, shake. So you just want to shake it, shake it, shake, 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 shake. After shaking it for about 2 minutes, you want to go ahead and get your sanitary towel or pad ready. So this is what you need to do. Make sure you remove this. You open your pad up like so. And the thing is, you can get the empty bottle with the dropper, but this is what I have. Whatever bottle you have, that's fine. So this is all you need to do. Remember, this is the mixture of tea tree oil and olive oil. So this is what you want to do. Let me zoom up. So you want to pour your oil in the pad like so. Like so. Yeah, you should have something that looks like this. So my lovelies, after applying the mixture of 2 tablespoons of olive oil with 5 drops of tea tree oil in your empty bottle, you give it a nice shake, you apply it on your pad, and you should be left with something like this. So after doing that, you need to place your pad on your panties and make sure it's sitting right where it needs to sit. So with this treatment, you don't have to do the garlic treatment if you can't do it. So this way also you will be able to cure your yeast infection, because I know some ladies are scared, which they did send me messages that they are scared to insert garlic up there. That what are the alternatives? So here's an alternative for you to cure your yeast infection. I hope you're happy. So ladies, that is it. All you need to do now is to wear your pants and you're good to go. So my lovelies, to get rid of yeast infection completely, you have to reduce the amount of sugar you eat. This infection feeds on sugar, they feed on moisture, they also feed off darkness. So you might want to reduce the amount of sugar you eat if you want to get rid of this yeast infection thingy. And also make sure you drink a lot of water. Make sure your body is balanced, and eat a lot of vegetables. Eat veggies, people. So my lovelies, this brings it to the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I so much enjoy making this video for you lovelies as requested. Are you following me on social media? If you're not following me, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing, Bobo? What are you doing? Make sure you follow me on Instagram at I am Bukioweye. Follow me on Snapchat at I am Bukioweye. Like my Facebook page, Bukioweye Network, which is the same name as this YouTube channel. Follow me, people. Let's get connected. Thank you all so much for watching. To all my subscribers, thank you for your support. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I love you all so much. So lovely. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.